Oh yeah.
Hey, what's up, fasters? Check this out. Boom. Meal prep for the week. Simple, easy. Get a roast. Get a rub that you like. Get a meat thermometer. This is pork. Put it in the oven till this says 200 degrees. That tender. Bone comes out clean. I use some sugar-free barbecue sauce. This will last me for days, 4 or 5 days right here. A couple meals a day. It's simple, easy, fast. Don't make it hard. If you want to eat something different every day, that's up to you. However, I cook one time for 4 or 5 days. I throw it in Ziploc bags, put it in the fridge. I can microwave it quick. When I'm hungry, I can eat. If it has to take me 30 minutes to eat when I'm hungry, guess what? I go off the plan. When I can take it, put it on a plate, microwave it for 2 minutes, throw it in the air fryer for 5, 10 minutes, I'm set. So take it from me, simple, easy, 15 bucks. Can't beat it.
Be smart about what you put on this.